Okay, your next step is to get your image onto your final paper, because right now it's just on your transparency. So we're going to use a light table. 2 people should be able to fit at each light table. And you are going to put your transparency on top of your tag board, okay? And then you're going to turn it over so the transparency is on the bottom, and then this is your tag board. So now I can see through, and I can see my transparency underneath. So I can now then very lightly trace all of my lines. And I want to kind of keep picking it up and just making sure that I'm working lightly, because if you work too dark, you're not going to be able to erase, and we're going to want to erase our pencil lines eventually. Okay. And then you are also going to get ghost lines that are never going to go away. So we want to make sure that you are working really light. So not a lot of pressure at all. Okay, light lines. But you are just going to take your time and trace over every line that you made as lightly as possible. And again, I'm going to kind of keep checking on it to make sure everything's transferring well, and that I'm not using too much pressure or getting too dark. Because these lines that we made, these shapes that we made, are just here to guide us. We're not actually going to keep the image the way that it is. That's not what our final image is going to look like. This is just a guide so we know where all of our shadows and highlights are and where our major features are. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you get the idea. Okay, you can kind of see how it's transferring. So, okay, so you're going to do that for your entire image.